So Einar, now we're standing in front of the standard pack control or pack system for the supermarket. Can you tell us more about this system?
Yeah, this is a pack or rack, as you call it in the US, which is specified by Co-op for a supermarket like this size in a cold climate. Very standard system. Of course, a CO₂ natural refrigerant using Danfoss drives, Danfoss box compressors. And it's also built with heat reclaim on the system here. And when we are seeing how we are taking out the heat from a refrigeration system, we do it by means of the heat recovery unit. So Anja, if you can, let's see over here. Here we have a Danfoss Heat Recovery Unit. And this heat recovery unit is something we have built because our customers, when we're talking about refrigeration people and heating people, they don't understand each other. It's like two different species. They are talking like this. So what Danfoss did, we have built this heat recovery unit, and by means of a simple 0 to 10 volt signal, we can actually have the pack controller, the Danfoss pack controller, communicating with this controller in the heat recovery unit, and we take out all the heat that is possible without sacrificing food quality. I think we will take a look at the picture, how it works in real. So let's take a look at that picture.